with the thunder, baby, might just clap it.
Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday. Welcome back to another video from Bulls to the Wall Trading. This is going to be a recap video for October 17th, 2017. It is currently... Oh, why isn't it doing it? I wanted to show the time, but it's not showing it. But it's about 10 a.m. here on the east, and yeah, this is going to be my recap. I'm going to make it really quickly. I don't like to do long videos because I feel like I lose your attention. So let's get started. Before that, as always, I need to let you know that I am not a financial planner or financial advisor. So please do your own research. And nobody is sponsoring me to use their software or their programs. So I'm not going to waste time going over these three right here because the volume is really low and I don't know what's going on with my computer. There it goes. Alright, so I'm not gonna do these right here because the volume is really low, so I didn't even look at these. I didn't even bother. So I'm just gonna minimize these and bring this down a little bit. As far as the continuation plays, I'm not going to bother with any of these. Again, the volume is really low. The market has been open for about half an hour, and it hasn't. These right here haven't even reached a million in volume. So in the pre-market, it was even lower. So I'm not gonna worry about these. So I'm just gonna bring that up to here. All right. So let's start with NE. This one, again, when I come in the morning, I only look at stocks that have a high volume. So if by market open it doesn't have a high volume, I don't really look at it. I don't really pay attention to it. So this one just cracked a million in the volume. So in the pre-market it wasn't there. So I didn't even bother looking at this one. This is my first time looking at it. But as you can tell, it broke through the line that we drew, and it had a nice pop to $4.17. So if you would have gotten in at $4.12, you would have made 5 cents per share. Again, I don't trade low volume. For me to invest in a stock, it has to have a lot of volume before the market opens. This one didn't, so that's why I didn't bother looking at it. This is the same situation here. Just broke a million half an hour after the market is open, so I wasn't really looking at it in the pre-market. But as you can tell, it still broke through the line that we drew at $2.44, and this one went all the way up to $2.58. So I'm not really too mad about this one because again, I'm just following my rules. So if I'm following my rules, I can't be mad at myself. LINU, same situation. This one was one that didn't really have much volume in the morning. Didn't look at the chart. This is my first time looking at it. Didn't really miss much there. I probably would have gotten in here if I was to trade this one. I probably would have gone in here, and I would have gone stopped out really quickly. So only like 5 cents a share or so. Not really missing out much on that one. GLUU. Next one, same situation, not really much movement going on in the pre-market. However, it did make the movement up, and it went all the way up to $4.62. So we drew our line at $4.57, and it went all the way up to $4.62. Again, this is one that I wasn't really looking at because I did not like the volume in the pre-market. ETRM, I had lines all over this one. So let's see what happened. This one had volume in the morning, but let me zoom in here. But as you can tell, the volume was going down. So the high was right here at $2.56, and if I remember correctly, this is the line we drew yesterday at $2.30. This is the line from a previous high. Let me check. Wow, this is slow. Alright, come on. Alright, so this line was from last night right here at $2.31. This line was from a previous high right here at about $2.45. And this line right here was today's high. So if we go back into a 1 minute chart, and I don't know why my computer is so slow right now. So if we go back into our minute chart, it broke through the line that we drew last night, which is this one. It broke through the line that we had several days ago, and it made new highs at $2.56. And this is where I drew my line. However, I did not like the fact that it was going down, so I didn't really keep up with it. It had decent volume, but it was going down. As you can see right here, it did break through the line at around $2.55, and it went up to $2.60. So that would have been a 5-cent per share profit. Decent, but not all that great. So again, this one is another one that I didn't really care much for because this fall right here. If it would have stayed around here, close to this line that we drew, I would have loved it. TRXC. Let's see what we got. So this one, we drew our line here at $3.44, which was a high yesterday in the pre-market. And let's see what it did today. So on this one, I invested in this one and I came out losing a little bit of money. As you can tell, right before the market opened, let me zoom in. Let's see, right before the market opened, it was right there at $3.36, and our line was at $3.44. So the price opened up, it came all the way up here to $3.43. I bought in right here at $3.43, hoping or expecting the move up, but instead the following candle it went down. Looking back at this chart, I should have waited a little bit, because if you're looking at the big picture, the day ended yesterday at around $2.96, and it looked like it opened up at $3.38, somewhere around there. So I should have been aware of the fact that there was going to be a sell-off from people getting their profits from when they bought last night to now. So I should have recognized that it was going to sell off a little bit, and then it was going to regain steam. So if you look at the chart, that's exactly what it did. Let's see. So yeah, it went up, it sold off. This is all the people that had a position in this stock overnight. They cashed in their profits. Then after that, everybody started buying again, and then after it crossed, it made a nice little profit here. So I should have gotten in here and not in here. I should have recognized the chart pattern, and the fact that it went up so much, people were gonna eventually cash in their profits. So that was my mistake on that one. And these are the ones that I ran in my morning scanner. So let's take a look at this. IYES. This one I liked it because it went all the way up to $1.59. But as you can tell, after that it just went down, never came back up. MYSZ. Same situation here, went up to $1.18. At the open, it went up to about $1.13. I wanted it to keep going, but it did not. And after that, it just came down. DFF. And this one was one that I really liked because of this huge movement up. This one was actually probably the main one that I focused on. But I did not invest in this one because it was weird. With this one, I looked at the pattern and I said this one is definitely going to fall down, because if you look at the chart, if somebody had a position right here at $1.60 and now the market's going to open at $2.92, as soon as the market opens, these people that bought here are going to sell. So same situation with TRXC that I didn't recognize. It's the same situation with DFFN. As soon as the market opened, it had a nice little spike up, but then it dropped down right here. This big red candle, that's the drop. So that's why I didn't get in. Even though it broke a little bit, I knew that at some point it was just going to come down really, really fast from people cashing in their profits. So I didn't get in on this one because I recognized the pattern, but I did not recognize the pattern, or I didn't bother to look out or zoom out on TRXC. So this one was my mistake. And the last one that I had was NEOT. This was another one that I really liked. It went up to $1.27 at the market opened. It went close to 124. I was really hoping that it could keep going. It did not. After that, it just went down, and now it's consolidating sideways. So the ones that I had my focus on, it was these right here: TRXC, NEOT, DFFN, and MYSZ. And the only one that I invested in was TRXC, and I ended up losing a little bit of money, again, because I did not recognize the pattern. I didn't zoom out, I didn't look at the big picture, and it kind of bit me in the butt. I should have known that people were going to cash in their profits, and after that it was going to come back up again. So it's a learning experience for you guys. Always look at the chart and always look at the big picture. That's going to do it for this watch list for October 17, 2017. I hope this video was educational and helpful for you guys. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave me any comments if there's anything you want me to go over. Be on the lookout for my watch list video later tonight. And thank you so much, guys, for everybody that's watching these videos, for allowing me to share these videos and allowing me to do what I love. I appreciate the support. And for those new viewers, you might be asking, what is Balls to the Wall Trading? It's just a channel that I created for me to share my experiences and my tips and everything that I know about the stock market, so that you guys can get some motivation and just see how things work, and hopefully learn from me a little bit. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Have a great rest of your day, and check back in later.